Today we're going to bring a heater for your aquarium. Now, just to let you guys know, there's different sizes on this one. We just got the smaller one because we do have a smaller aquarium. So this is adjustable that you can move the suction cups anywhere you want. So you can put it on the glass, pretty much on the ground or anywhere. The actual controller, it's a Fahrenheit controller, all right? It's all the way from 68 all the way to 90, all right? So just to let you know, and it's easy, just plug and play and set the controller up and forget about the whole thing. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how well it works.
All right, just put the heater in there if you guys can see it. It's gonna be cold tonight. I'm outdoors. I'm actually outdoors, and I lift my fish tank out here because I'm growing plants. But I want my fishes to be alive tomorrow, so I want to make sure I put the heater up. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll put it up to 73, 74, somewhere in there, because it's gonna be cold at night, and I want this to be super warm. So let's go ahead and do that. You guys can see it turns on red when it starts working again, but it's really accurate. All right, so I'm gonna put actually a tester later on so you guys can see a thermal. All right, so let's take a look at the actual heater for the fishes, and this is it right here. I'm just gonna keep them warm. I'm gonna keep them out there, but look at this. This is the actual heater. I'm gonna put it a little higher because it's a little cold out here, and right now we're at 70. So we'll put this back in the water here and make sure that it's kicking in there. I'm gonna see if I could get any fishes in here, but unfortunately I can't. But that's the heater in the water.